If you want to scale your business fast na it feels legal, gawin mo to. I learned this when I visited a famous burger chain in the US called In-N-Out Burger. That time, nagmamadali kami at naghanap kami ng makainan. So when we went there, ng counter ng In-N-Out Burger, nagulat ako. 3 lang ang option sa menu nila. Burger, fries, at shake. That is it. Okay? Alam mo, I did my research at nalaman ko na merong 400 stores sila across the United States. And here's the crazy part. Lahat na yun ay company-owned. Walang franchisees. Ibig sabihin, nagawa nilang mag-expand ng ganun kalaki na hindi umaasa sa capital or skill ng ibang tao. And the only way to scale something like this is through simplicity. Kaya, write this down. Complexity fails, simplicity scales. Ang problema kasi sa atin, akala natin kapag nagdagdag tayo ng maraming product or serbisyo, dun tayo mas kikita. Pero ang hindi natin alam, the more stuff you add, the more complex it becomes. And the more effort it requires to maintain it. Because the easier your business to duplicate, the faster for it to grow. This is Fibo Lim, and if you want more content on business, marketing, and sales, follow me for more.